Hi, welcome to Best Review channel. Here are the top 10 HD camcorder under 20s of 2021. The list starts from semi-hard camcorder case for Sony HD video recording HDR-CX405, HDR-CX440 Handycam, Canon VIXIA. It's Sony HD video recording HDR-CX405, HDR-CX440 Handycam, Canon VIXIA HFR800, Panasonic HCV180K Camira HD recorder. It's lightweight and strong for protection. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is ONN HD camcorder video camera with 1.44-inch screen, 2x digital zoom, 720p HD. This refurbished product is tested and certified to look and work like new. The refurbishing process includes functionality testing, basic cleaning, inspection, and repackaging. The product ships with all relevant accessories and may arrive in a generic box. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Kastar battery and charger kit for JVC Everio GZM G330, GZM G330AU, GZM G330RU, GZM G330HU HD. It's this Kastar battery charger with foldable flat pin for easy storage. It's smart charging LED indicator. Green light is for standby, red is for charging. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Well, here is the seventh one. Neewer aluminum alloy 360-degree rotating swivel mini ball head with 1/4 and 3/8. It's swivel ball joint to ensure 360-degree horizontal rotating fluid movement when adjusting the angle. It can be used with many brands of DSLR cameras such as Nikon, Canon, Pentax, etc. or smartphone or action cameras such as GoPro. Need to purchase adapter additionally for smartphone or action camera. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. You should look into this product. It was surely well marketed. QEBIDUM Cop Mini Camera Spy Hidden 1080p Full HD Sports Micro Car Nanny. It's night vision and motion detection. Wireless hidden camera supports high-definition picture capturing night or dark environment. Features 6 LED lights for enhanced night mode and timestamp function. Automatically starts recording when motion is detected. It's smart and convenient dashboard car DVR, HD dash cam, DVR accident video recorder. Easy to store or carry. Spy camera can support up to a 32 grams micro SD card class 10. Micro SD memory card not included. Recording resolution 1280 x 960, 720 x 480, 640 x 480 pixels. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Now we will show you the fifth product in the list. Thriverline SQ11 Mini Camera HD Camcorder Sports Mini DV Video Recorder FPV Camera. Its compact design, portable handheld support, TV out, TV monitor video connection. Its support system, Windows ME 2000 XP 2003 Vista, Mac OS, Linux. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Customers are king and according to them one should buy this one. ACROTOR SQ11 Mini Camera HD Camcorder Sports Mini DV Video Recorder FPV Camera. Its compact design, portable handheld support, TV out, TV monitor video connection. Its support system, Windows ME 2000 XP 2003 Vista, Mac OS, Linux. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. If you want cost efficient, this new one is for you. CaseSack camcorder kit case for Sony HD video recording HDR-CX440, HDR-CX405 Handycam, Canon. It's also fit for Sony HDR-AZ1 VRW action camera. It's all-in-one travel and carrying solution with smart divider to separated the adapter from camcorder.